Hi, I'm Geoff Cars, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the headlining on your Volvo 850. Well, I'm not going to show you actually because I've already done it, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. So this is my Volvo 850 TDI 1996, and the headlining was sagging down. So basically at the back of the car, it was sort of drooping into the cabin. The car is on camper mode right now. You can probably see I've got set up to do a little bit of working from home, as they say. So this is why I quite enjoy owning a big wagon. Right, I'm going to show you what I've done with my headlining, and I'll tell you how to do yours. So here we go. Mine is pretty funky. That's actually an old Aztec print style duvet that I had lying around that I'd always threatened to do something with, and this is what I ended up using it for. Now, getting your headlining out is actually relatively straightforward. So the first step is to remove all of the bits and bobs that hold the headlining in. I'm not talking about the trim. What I mean is these bits here. So what you want to do is get yourself a 10mm socket, if you can find one. Hey, old joke. Pop these down and undo that, right? Same with these. These just pull out. They're very easy to get out. That's two sockets there. And then with this bit, get a little screwdriver in there and pop the light out. And then there's a tiny screw that goes up through the top, which will allow you to remove all of this unit here. There's also a metal frame that goes around that, and it actually goes behind the stalk for the mirror. So you need to dismantle all of that to get the mirror out. Because otherwise the mirror stays connected to this block here. Obviously same with that sun visor, and same on the other side. Once you've got those all out, then you can start removing your plastic trim. So start with this one at the back here, screwdriver underneath there, and that's a hex thingy to undo that. One on this side as well, obviously. Make sure you disconnect your lights, unplug all of the lights that are connected, and then all you need to do really is peel back your interior trim. You don't need to remove any of it. It all just pulls loose. So for example here, you can pull this piece out a little bit, which allows you to pop all of these off. That doesn't look like it's seated correctly, does it? I'll look at that in a minute. Once you've got all of the trim off, you can then basically work the headliner loose. You'll want to remove your sunroof seal that goes around the sunroof. That's pretty much it. It's not held in place by anything. It's actually held in place by one small Velcro pad, which is about here in the middle of the car. Once you've done that, the whole headlining can then come out of the car, and then you get into the really messy bit. The headlining is basically comprised of the grey or black material, which is mounted on a couple of inches of foam. Once that grey material, or mine was grey, has been pulled off, what it leaves is just like 30-year-old, slightly slightly degraded foam. And that foam needs to be scraped off. I'll insert a little video. Car's not very clean, is it? Bird poo. I'll insert a little video here of doing that. I did it with a vacuum cleaner. And then basically, once you've done that, your headlining is actually made of like a cardboard fiberglass. And once you've done that, you can use some spray adhesive to mount any material that you like onto your headlining, and then just basically reverse the steps to get your headlining back in, and that's it. Let me know how you get on. I really like mine. I think it's different. It made use of what was, I don't know, I just like that duvet cover. I thought it was a really cool design. You'll notice I haven't yet put the handles back in the rear doors. I need to do that and hook up the lights and whatnot. But I need to clean those up a bit first because they're a bit grubby. But there we go. That is the headlining how-to on a Volvo 850. You can do it on your own. It's definitely easier if you've got some help. Two-person job, and the headlining tends to fold. You see that point there behind the rear seats where the sunroof is? That's a weak spot, so it does tend to sort of fold itself, and you can manipulate it fairly easily. You know, you can be quite harsh with it and it will go back in place. So there we go. That is how to do the headlining on a Volvo 850. Thanks for watching my little video. Geoff buys cars. Still YouTube's most boring car channel.